Today I'm working with a product called Salt Wash. And I'm adding it to my Vintage Egg Blue from Wise Owl and my Mandarina. And I also mixed it into Goldenrod. I'm not measuring here, although there are instructions on the can. I grabbed these paper mache eggs at Hobby Lobby for $2.99. Watch your sales. I'm sure I got them on sale. And I'm using small art brushes. I took some jute and I made the glue in a circular motion and applied the jute to that glued circle. And now I'm applying the paint. And when you have texture paint, you can make your paint kind of like you want to do your brush every which way so that you intentionally get a rough surface. So again, I am applying my glue in a circle, the jute, and paint. And at the end, I figured out that if I wrapped tape in that bare, unpainted spot, it gave me something to hold on to as I applied the paint. So just something to think about. It's a little less messy. So then I took some Antique Villa, and in the portion of the egg that was unpainted, within the jute, I painted it white. And then I took some dry brush technique on the outside of all the colors of the egg. So here I'm going to go a little slower. I paint the face. I'm not worried if the jute gets painted as well. Then I'm taking a dry brush, and with all that texture, I'm just skipping my brush around to just give it some interest, and it kind of gives it that vintage look that I was aiming for. I found this tissue paper in the scrapbooking section of Hobby Lobby. It was very pretty. It had different songbirds, musical notes, and I cut out a circle that I knew was going to be bigger than my my jute, and then I just took my finger and rubbed it around the jute, and it gave me a crease that I could cut out for a better idea. And then I took some Wise Owl varnish, put my tissue paper down, and a little bit more Wise Owl varnish, and I'm basically decoupaging to the front of the egg. The reason I painted the egg first is because the tissue paper is very see-through, and you would see the brown through once it got wet with the varnish. And I did all my eggs this way with different images in the front. I found this cute little bowl, added some grass, and put 3 of my eggs in that bowl for a decoration for Easter. And I found this glass candlestick at the dollar store that I'm painting with Antique Villa. And these I'm going to use for place settings at each plate for Easter, but you can use it for another decoration. I found these little nests at Hobby Lobby for, I think that said $3.99 or $2.99. I glued my egg inside these little nests and then glued to the top of the rim of the candlestick. I added a ribbon around the neck of the candlestick by just tying in a knot, and cut trimmed the ribbon off. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, go check us out on YouTube. And for any Wise Owl paint, you can grab that at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.